Hey, what's going on? This is Rad with Tactical Airsoft Supply in Salt Lake City, and we're just going to tell you about a little liquidation sale that we have going on our green gas. Right here, the lightning bolt. We're going to do $6 a can while supplies last. So come on down, Tactical Airsoft Supply, 355 East, 3300 South, Salt Lake City, Utah. Tell your friends. It's $6 a can of gas. So come on in. And by the way, I'm hanging out here with some homies, BOE, Smalls, Harmless, and we got Blockhead over here. So come down, check us out. We appreciate all your business. Thanks for your support.